In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in ClickUp. Let's start inside ClickUp in your list view. Make sure you're looking at the list that you actually want to report on, because the dashboard you're about to create will pull its data from this area. Take a moment to confirm that the tasks, statuses, and assignees you care about are visible here, so your report will be meaningful. Next, look over to the left-hand side where your spaces and workspaces are listed. Find the workspace where you'd like this new dashboard to live. Right next to that workspace name, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you create new items tied to that workspace, including dashboards that act as your reporting hub. When the menu opens, select Dashboard. This tells ClickUp you want to create a new dashboard view, which is essentially your report. ClickUp will then open up a dashboard layout that's already wired to show some really useful widgets without you having to build everything from scratch. At the top of this dashboard, you'll see an AI executive summary. This is a smart overview of what's happening in your work. It pulls together key trends, progress, and potential issues, so you can quickly understand the health of your projects without digging into every single task. Think of it as your high-level briefing. As you scroll, you'll see a section that shows tasks completed this week. This is perfect for weekly check-ins and progress updates. You can use this part of the report to highlight wins in team meetings, or to make sure work is actually closing, not just moving around. Further down, you'll find a widget that shows workload by status. Here you can see how many tasks are in stages like to do, in progress, or done. This helps you spot bottlenecks quickly. For example, if a lot of tasks are stuck in review, you know exactly where to focus. You'll also see a breakdown of the total number of unassigned, in progress, and completed tasks. This is especially useful for managers who want to check that nothing is falling through the cracks and that tasks are properly owned. Another section shows total and open tasks by assignee. This gives you a clear view of who is handling what and whether anyone might be overloaded or underutilized, making workload balancing much easier. You'll also see a widget highlighting tasks due this week or overdue. This is your urgency panel, helping you prioritize what needs immediate attention. Finally, when you're ready to share this as a report, look to the top right corner of the dashboard. You can either export it as a PDF or use the share options to send it to stakeholders. That way, everyone can stay aligned using the same up-to-date ClickUp report.